Martin, are you all tucked in? He's all tucked in. All nice and cute. And this is the reason why I have to make my bed every 3 hours. Isn't that right, Martin?